Welcome to another unboxing video. This time it's for an Epson projector. So let's start first with a story about this one. This is actually the old unit. We have this unit for around 5 years already, maybe more. And one day it stopped working, and when I brought this unit to an Epson service center, they told us that it has a damage on the motherboard and something wrong also with the ballast or the power supply. So for a total damage costing to around 22,000 pesos. So instead of repairing this one, because there will might be an issue with the lamp later on, so we decided to buy another one, but this time an upgraded version. So this old unit is an Epson EB-S12. So here are the inputs. Let me just this is the port where we have the air filter over here, and then the front side, and then the other side. So this is the old unit. So we'll be comparing this one later on with the new one. Okay, so let us unbox the new Epson. This is EB-X41 unit. So we bought this from Octagon Computer Store at Robinson's Place, Palawan, for around 28,000 pesos. So let's see what are included in the box. So first, we have a piece of board with numbers. I don't know exactly what these numbers mean. And then we have the warranty card. And then we have here the document CD-ROM and some sort of user manual. Okay, let's save this for later. Then we have a USB connector. This one allows you to connect your laptop directly to the projector without using the VGA cable. Of course, we have the remote control. We have the standard VGA cable. We have this piece of plastic that I don't actually know what it's for. Maybe if you know, put it in the description below, and let's see. And then we also have this beefy power cord. It has a 3-prong connector. So in the Philippines, we only use 2 slots for the power connector, so you might be needing an adapter for this one. By the way, this one comes with a fuse. Actually, it's safer to use this one rather than the unfused one. So it comes with a 10 amp ceramic fuse for safety purposes. There you go. Also comes free with its own 2 pieces of AA battery, an Toshiba brand. Toshiba battery. Okay. And of course, you have the main unit. You have some sort of padding. Okay. Let's just remove this. Next, so we actually have a free bag out from the package. Let me just take the plastic off. Okay, so we have here a black bag for the projector. Okay, so we can put our things in here, like the wires, the remotes, manuals, and everything. It has a shoulder strap. Okay, fine. And then let's take out the main unit. Another plastic. Okay, now here is our main unit. This is Epson EB-X41. Okay, so we have here the back side. So if comparing to the previous one, this one have white backgrounds. The other one is a black. Okay, we have the lamp here in this area beneath this one, and we have here the air filter. So if you want to know how to replace the air filter, we just need to carefully pry this cover off, and this black thing is actually the filter. So once this filter is covered with dust, we need to replace this with another one so that our unit will have a good air circulation. And let's put the cover back on. Okay, there. Now we have two tapes here. This one, let's remove this one. This prevents this adjuster from moving left and right. So this one is used to adjust. Sometimes you have to place the unit not directly in front of the screen, so you have to adjust the viewing angle of your projector. And then this tape prevents this one from moving, so this opens the part where the lens should come out there. So some people, when they do not want to show images on the screen, they tend to put something in front of the lens like paper or piece of board. That is dangerous because projectors can actually burn things. They can even burn plastic when they are exposed for a very long time. So if you do not want people to see what you're doing, it's better to shut this shutter, to close the shutter that will turn off your display. Okay, and then we have here two adjustment knobs. One is for the zoom, I think. So this one, if you put it all the way to the left, you will have a wider view, and then if you go to the right, you have smaller view. And then this is for the focus. One thing I've noticed here, I don't know if you can see, in there we have a sponge, some sort of sponge that would prevent dust from entering here, going directly inside the unit. So that's one advantage of this unit over the other one, because in the other one we only have one adjuster. This is for the focus. We don't have anything that prevents dust going in there. So I think this one is better when it comes to dust prevention. Okay, so I think that's it. This is just an unboxing video and not a review. So if you want to know more about this type of projector, I will have a link down in the description for the specs. By the way, this one is rated for 3600 lumens for those who are interested in the lumens count of this unit. Okay, so that's it. I will have a link down in the description for you to go to the website and learn more about this one. So again, thank you for watching, and I hope you have learned something from this video.